Unless you needed it, you wouldn't be looking for it. Yet, if you do need it,
you'll be really happy.
Very grateful that it exists, because it's a unique product for a unique cause.
Ooh, and it's 19% off right now.
And there's a discount on it right now that you can take advantage of.
There might even be another like they might have even added a little bit more for this because they knew I was going to unbox this live.
Well, we'll soon see. We'll soon see.
So they might have added one. Okay. I have added it. Let's add this and add it to the wheel. Add it to the.
So for this, it's a scar treatment.
Oops, wrong one. Let's remove that.
It's got nothing to do with that.
Let's try this. There we go.
Here we go.
There we go.
Okay, folks. So it's, as you can see, it's scar treatment for a specific part of the female anatomy.
That we're afraid to say on here because we don't want to get shut down, even though
who knows what the
probably fine. We just never know what the algorithms are going to do.
Should be fine to say it because it's just a natural part of the anatomy, like elbow or shoulder. Except for some reasons, certain algorithms, if you type in certain words, will ban the chat. So what we're going to look at, this is for any form of augmentation post-surgery to help you
with scars,
with the scar and the scar tissue, for it to be quickly reduced after any form of augmentation surgery in that area. So
comes with some instructions here, which I would read.
Yeah, definitely read the instructions.
I would definitely be reading the instructions on this one, guys. I do skip a lot of instructions. I wouldn't on these. But it comes with a pair. So you've got your set there for scar treatment. And how it works is basically you just they're reusable and washable. And they just cover your scars. It helps lift the scars.
Yep. Yeah. And if you just leave them there for a second, hold this one, hold that one. One of the things you can see, which is very significant, if you're a guy, you can make a happy face with them. So as you can see, the people are very happy to be able to use them. Because look at that. It's a little,
let me see this. Let me see this. There we go.
Now it's a shocked face.
What?
What? Someone at home right now is going, what? This is available? That makes me happy.
Because so this one's going to go on the prize wheel.
So congratulations. One of you lovely folks will get to win one of these.
Absolutely. Very cool. Very cool.
A unique set for a specific circumstance.
Yes, absolutely. So very, very good. I'm glad to know. I wish I had these years ago. I could have used these a long time ago.